Indian Railways, SAIL, ONGC, all electricity boards across India, and many more. What do all these enterprises have in common? They all use exceptional quality wires and cables manufactured by V-Marc, a globally established name in the field of power cables production. Begun in 1996 by Shri Vikas Gargji, V-Marc is committed to a continuous capacity for growth. Today, V-Marc is a ratified player in the field, holding ISO certifications, CE certification, RoHS compliance. V-Marc also holds BIS licenses spread over a 10-acre campus in the vibrant industrial neighborhood of Sidkul in Devbhoomi, Uttarakhand. V-Marc's new state-of-the-art facility upholds the company's founding principles of accessibility, convenience, and credibility. The company's true strength is its 800-plus employees who thrive in a progressive workplace culture with regular skill upgradation and training, upholding their guiding principle of powering progress sustainably. The conductor division's capacity is 21 metric tons a month, made possible with the latest version of high-speed double-wire drawing machine and many single-wire drawing machines. V-Marc's latest trending line with batch-loading Wi-Fi operations has a staggering output of 10,000 km per month. V-Marc's advanced German-made CCV line of power cables is equipped with a maximum of 1000 SQ/mm 66 kV for insulation and eco-friendly features. Quality checks are conducted manually to ensure consistency, putting V-Marc on the map of excellence in cable production. The Sikora NXT 8000 works by precise and reliable measurements and by controlling cables with up to 3 layers. The next process involves adding a metallic screen for all medium voltage cables, followed up by laying up. The facility has 4 advanced machines for this, with capacities of 600 km of HT cables and 1300 km of AB cables per month. V-Marc's cables undergo armoring to protect insulation, followed by high-speed, temperature-controlled sheathing. With a monthly capacity of 600 km, they are crucial for national infrastructure projects, distinguished by durable embossing and laser-printed descriptions, ensuring reliability and proficiency. Finally, V-Marc's house wire division, where it all began in 1996. And today, the unit's production capacity is an astounding 5,000 coils a day. V-Marc produces enough wire a year to wrap around the earth more than once. V-Marc's products undergo rigorous verification in sophisticated testing laboratories. Their quality assurance plan mandates comprehensive testing of electrical and mechanical properties across all wire and cable components. V-Marc doesn't settle for a stellar work environment, a leading position in India's cable industry, and an enviable client roster. With nearly 3 decades of excellence, V-Marc continually raises the bar, surpassing its own achievements and establishing itself as an unwavering champion.